Alright folks, hope y'all enjoy the video and have a blessed day. Let's go. Alright folks, as a lot of you know, I won the giveaway that Mr. Steven done over at SJ Relics and Restorations. Well, I got my stuff in and I'm so excited to show it to you this morning. I know you've all seen it already, but I want to show it, and so y'all just bear with me. He sent me a card with it. It says, "Hey Bobby, thanks so much for supporting the channel. I really appreciate all the encouragement. Shout out to Rugged Cross Knives for being an inspiration. God bless." Then at the bottom he said, yes, this is the wife's handwriting. Well, Brother Steven, I know that feeling. My handwriting's sloppy too. But let's get into what he sent me. And his giveaway was just awesome, folks. I'm telling you, I couldn't believe all the stuff he sent me. He sent me this strop, and I'm assuming he made this, which is very cool. And I think I will take it and put something to commemorate it on the back side of that with my laser. I don't think he'll mind. And he sent me this Gerber. I know you guys know what this is, but it looks to be just absolutely brand new. I won't go into opening everything up on it, but I was so very appreciative to get it. It's just an awesome piece. And I will make good use out of it. And he sent me these knives, those Ozark Trails, and these knives I will open these up and probably either keep them down here in my man cave where I do some restorations at, or take them to my shop and they will become everyday users for just different projects that I do. But I love those. Those will come in handy. And he sent me the Buck Slim or Buck Light. Look at that, folks. Ain't that beautiful? It's Buck 112, which is I love Bucks. I love Buck 112, 110. I think the 112 is probably my favorite. I carry a Buck 112 every single day. Every day. But man, I love this thing. This is the first one I've got, and I was actually thinking about buying one here just not long ago, and I held off. And the good Lord knew why I held off, because I was going to get one handed to me. Brother Steven, man, I appreciate that. I greatly appreciate that. I love it. And of course, last but not least, he sent me 2 knife slips. And let me tell you something. This feller, I do leather work. Everybody knows that. But this feller is on point with his leather work. Let me look at the edges on that stuff, folks. Just the finish on it, beautiful. And I know he has to hand paint that Indian on there, and that takes some precision and takes some time. And the basket weave design on there, just excellent work. Excellent work. So if y'all are in the market for a slip, then I would say SJ Relics and Restorations would be an awesome place to reach out to. He does a wonderful job. Check this one out, folks. Same Indian head, and like I said, I know he has to hand paint that, and that is awesome. 2 different colored threads on it. The different colors on the pattern there. And that takes time too, folks. Believe me, I know. I work with leather just about every day, and it takes time. Leather work is just not something that, I mean, anybody can jump in there and do leather work and throw some stuff together, but when you get it to looking this good, you have to take some time, and it takes a lot of practice and a lot of failing, and it's a lot of work to get to the point to where you can do something of this quality. But thank you again, Stephen. Thank you so much. And show you he sent me a couple stickers. And of course, everybody knows I love stickers. These will go on my board over there, along with everyone else's that I get. And I will send you a couple of mine, rather to put on your board or whatever you do with them, and I'll get those out just as soon as I can, back up your way. But SJ Relics and Restorations, folks. If y'all haven't watched his channel, I would suggest you go watch it. And if you haven't subscribed to it, subscribe to it. Help him build it up. I know this was a 500 subscriber giveaway, and man, he knocked it out of the park with it. So y'all get over there and subscribe to his channel and support him a little bit. And oh, there's 3 stickers there. Check that out. Oh, that's awesome. Woohoo! 3 stickers, folks. Ain't that something? Alright. Y'all get over and check out SJ Relics Restorations. The guy does a lot of beautiful work. Has a great channel. Great content. So y'all get over there and check him out. Thank y'all for watching. Love y'all. Y'all have a blessed day.
Alright folks, the call rings clear from a forge where blades appear. Rugged cross knives, bold and bright, born of fire, shaped with might. Steel and leather side by side, crafted strong with maker's pride. Blades that whisper, edges keen, stories sharp and surfaces clean. Old knives weathered, scarred with rust, find new life in skilled hands' trust. Alright folks, the maker grins where every blade and tail begins. So sing of steel, of edge and high, of passion, skill, and crafted pride.